Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find videos on the AccuWeather application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the first option, the video. And here you can find different videos, and if you want to play one, just click that and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.